Hello everyone, today I would be teaching you how to turn off your iPhone without touching your screen. But before we get into the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, let's get started on how to turn off your iPhone without touching your screen. So, your touch screen might be facing a problem like it's unresponsive. So, to turn it off, you need to use your volume button and your power button. So, what we need to do first is to press the volume up button and then volume down button, then just hold the power button. So let me demonstrate it. As you can see, I press the volume up button, then the volume down button, then I just hold the power button. It will then show you slide to power off, but since we're not touching our screen, just continue holding your power button until your screen turns off, and now you can let go of the power button. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon to be notified of our latest videos.